1407 Craning virtual tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. What's nice, it has a double-car garage, large lot, fenced in the back. It's got a nice little fire pit back there. But you can see it's all fenced in. Double-car garage, large backyard. We just updated this house. It's in Willowick. So you have a nice little patio here. Just did the you got a little kitchen here that you can, goes right into the kitchen, large entertainment area. As you can see, and it's just really a nice house. The first floor room, right here. And it has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. New toilet. Bedrooms are really good size. Got all that. See their new fire smoke alarms in all the bedrooms. Just an extremely nice house. It's really close to downtown. Has newer windows. It does have a basement. It's all been dry locked. You can see the floor's been done. And you have your washer and dryer down here. Just a nice place. So if you want to live in Willowick, 1407 Craning, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Thanks.